Good morning, everyone. Cameras on. Hello, hello. Cameras on, guys. Cameras on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My body is not at all flexible. Can I ever be able to do split the way you do?
Today we're doing conditioning and some different shapes. Yes?
Just asking whether I'll be ever able to learn splits. My body is not flexible.
The
So,
body gets flexible through repetition. Yes?
okay.
The body needs drills for flexibility, it needs drills for mobility of the joints of your body, and it needs strength to support the flexibility and the new ranges of motion. Yes, so
So
first of all,
eventually one day
your
I'll
split
be.
right now, Ishali.
Sorry?
I don't know how is your split right now, and this is the handstand class. But I want to tell you that everything is possible if you are having the right drills and the repetition. When it will happen, I cannot tell for anyone. Not for me, not for you. Yes, but it is possible. Of course, it's possible if you put the effort. Everything gets built through consistency. But we need both the strength, we need both. No, we need all the strength, the flexibility, and the mobility. Yes? And the right drills. If I don't have this, I can't even think about, because then I'm just going in the blind. Just in the blind, trying here and there. And then I have to be consistent. I want to develop my handstand and I want this, I want this, I want this. And I have to put the effort every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever it takes. Same for the splits or anything else. Yeah? Text me later and we can talk about it. Yes? Thank you, guys. Now let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start chanting one Om in hand. Om. Exhale, release your hands down. Open your eyes. Very good. Let's start, guys. Tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders. Make sure you have a straight line. Wrist, elbow, and shoulder, knee under your hips. Press the hands against the mat. Core engage. Pelvis in. And you're going to focus on your shoulders. So press the hands against the mat. Only shoulder rotations. The elbow stays long. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now scapular push-ups. Sink the chest down. Scapula to touch and push. Sink the chest down as much as you can. Scapula to touch and push. It's a slow exercise. 2, 3. Ashwini, please, camera on. You have 2 cameras. 4. 5. 6. Elbows don't bend. 7. 8. 9. 10. Very good. Cat and cow position, full spine. Inhale, arch, press the hands, open the pelvis, regular. Yes. Full spine, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open fully. Exhale, 2. Inhale, open. Exhale, 3. Continue. Inhale, open. Exhale, 4. Inhale, open. Exhale, 5. 5 more. Inhale, open. Exhale, 6. Inhale, open. Keep pressing the hands. Exhale, 7. Last 3. Inhale, open. Exhale, 8. Inhale, open. Exhale, 9. Last one. Inhale, open in cow. Exhale, arch, press and hold. Hold in cat position. Eyes towards your thumbs. Hold it here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center, watch me. Neutral spine, yes? Nothing changes. Tuck the toes. You will leave the knees. Guys, we will do a sequence. Yes, we will start knee to elbow. Opposite knee to elbow. Knee, opposite elbow. Knee, opposite elbow. Nothing moves. I need to start in a good tabletop position where I'm here. Not this, not this. Yes, because then when I go here, travel. If I'm here, when I go here, travel. Yes? Alignment first. Slow exercise, guys. Knee to the same arm, elbow. Opposite arm, same arm, elbow. Opposite knee to elbow. Opposite knee to elbow. Through the whole process, I keep my shoulder on top of the wrist. I keep rounding, core engaged, pelvis in. Guys, you will feel it deep in the core. It will cramp. If you feel nothing, you're not doing the exercise good. Yes, everyone will feel it. Knees a little bit above the floor. 1 minute, guys, we go all together. Wait. Make sure your tabletop is in alignment. Press the hands, all corners of the hands, guys. Otherwise, it all goes in the wrist. Let's go. I put the timer. 1 minute. Guys, 1 minute. It started already. Knee to elbow, knee to opposite elbow, and then cross and cross. Continue to your own rhythm. It's a slow exercise. Finish the exercise fully. Knee, as much as you can, touch the same elbow. Opposite knee, touch the other elbow. I cross and I try to touch without touching the spine. Keep rounding, guys. It's a slow exercise. I don't know how many times I need to repeat. Please, guys, it's a slow exercise. If you do fast, you're skipping, you're cheating. On your progress, not on me, huh? Do it slow, you will see the difference. Kalpana, you're going super fast. 10 times I said please slow. You will notice, please try. Arch the spine. Round the spine, sorry, Kalpana. Round, round, round. Like in cat position. But lower the knees. Lower the knees. Last 3, 2, 1. Release. Guys, I know it's tempting to go fast because it's hard, but please, 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 please. I don't know how many times I have to say before it sticks here. If you do slow, if you try slow, you will see what I mean. It's a whole new exercise if you do it slow. Fast is not better. Fast is not better results, and fast is not better progress. Especially when it comes to this exercise that we are working on the deep core. Slow is the way to go. Yeah? Now, guys?
Yeah, ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes.
ma'am, actually, I have some pain in my wrist from last 2, 3 days. Should I do it? Not too much, but little bit. When I'm bending,
When you are
I
bending.
can feel.
But when you are now in the handstand, it's in flexion. Do you feel it in flexion or you feel it in extension? You feel it when you are on the...
Not that intense, but a little bit I can feel.
Is it from class? Did you injure in class?
Bad network, ma'am. I'm not able to.
Did you injure in class?
My
Did
net.
you injure in class?
No.
How this happened?
I mean, I was doing something. I was doing
Okay.
something like plank or something maybe.
Okay.
After that,
So
I'm
this
feeling
was
that
in
little
class or
bit
in your own practice?
pain.
My question
When
is,
I'm bending it, I'm feeling
if it's
not here.
paining, you are in the handstand class now. If it's paining you now and you're in the handstand
Yeah.
only
Okay, I'll see if I'm
because
feeling too much pain.
I'm not gonna say to anyone push through pain. So if you are feeling pain, absolutely forget about
Okay.
this class today. Leave, rest, yes, and you take the recording if you want to do this class later. But
Okay.
today, no, because in this class, not only in the warm-up, but later, obviously, you will go in the hands because it's the handstand. Yes, and if it's been 2, 3 days and it's not
Okay, ma'am. I'll see if I feel pain. I'll visit.
But for you and for everyone, guys, when we are in plank, when we are in any position, tabletop or plank or anything, our job is to press with the whole...
Okay, ma'am.
No. I'm saying for everyone, Pragya, because this will help the wrist.
Okay.
It protects the wrist. We press with the whole palm. We don't press only with this part. Never. When you press only with this, all the pressure comes here. And then we feel pain here. For you, Pragya, it might happen like this or it might happen any other way. But in general, we want to press with all of this because it distributes the whole weight that we are putting on top. Later in the handstand, here in your tabletop, in your down dog, in your plank. And then the fingers also. We want to engage everything, not only this part. Okay? Please keep this in mind. Now, let's continue, guys. We will go into high plank. So you take a nice tabletop, make sure your alignment is nice. Press with the hands, separate the scapula. You see, I'm not just hanging, I'm pressing the mat away, fingertips engage. I extend to the back, as far as I can. You see, it's not the same. This, where my alignment is already wrong. Then this. Yes, the shoulder, elbow, wrist in one line. The hips are not here and not here. Engage the core, engage the glutes, engage the legs. Feet together. Yes, and now I will look in my thumbs. Go forward, center. From the heels, I initiate the movement forward. Even if I'm here, my whole palm is pressing. Yes, Guys, this is tough. Yeah, again, it's a slow exercise. Okay? Let's go. Everyone ready? First tabletop, we go together. Guys, separate the scapula. Separate the scapula like this. Like in cat position, yes? Let's go. It's a slow exercise, Kalpana. Slow exercise, guys. Please, listen. We go together. Already people there. It's a slow exercise. Already people going fast. A capacity for the student is to listen to the teacher. Otherwise, why are you coming to class? I'm saying this with all my love, but if you're not going to listen to me and you're just going to do freestyle, do your self-practice today. Don't come to my class. Yes? We are here to go slow, to go as a group, to practice in the same energy. Yeah? So please, everyone, ears, because then we ask the same question 10 times. Yeah? Please, please, please. Everyone listening. Tabletop position, I already see alignments that are wrong. Make sure your alignment is in place before you extend the legs. Go to your high plank. High plank. Round the spine, high plank, feet to touch. Feet to touch. Very good. And now we start 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Don't let the hips drop. Slow. Very good. Vital, careful, your hips are dropping. Round the spine, engage the core. Press the mat with your hands. Vishali, stay, stay, stay. The hips don't come up. Just from the heels. Move forward and back. Shiva, you need to step more back with your legs or more forward with the hands. Yes, that's your plank. Shilpa, why are you bringing the hips up? No, no, no. I know it's tough. Last 20 seconds, guys. 20 more seconds. Come on. I told you it was tough. I know it's tough, guys. But we need this for the handstand. San Martini, come on, come on. You can do this. Last 10 seconds. Let's push, let's push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the knees down. Take child's pose. Take a little rest. Very good. Now, guys, watch me. Again, peel your eyes to the screen. Yes, peel your eyes to the screen. Again, we need our tabletop to start. Plank, plank. Yes? Good. Now, we are going to shift the weight forward and keep it here. Yes, I don't go back. I just shift and keep it here. I will bring one knee to the elbow and back. Other knee, other elbow and back. Very slow. You see that I'm keeping my weight in my hands. I'm not staying back. I'm staying here. Blink. If I cannot reach, it's fine. But I finish the movement. I go as forward as I can towards my elbow and then back. As forward as I can other elbow and then back. Guys, squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your core. Yes? We do 30 seconds, then we rest. So please, everyone start on time. Tabletop position. Extend the legs back. Shift the weight towards the hands. Keep the weight towards the hands and then start. Knee to elbow. Time is on. Slow. Continue, continue, continue. Change the leg. One leg, other leg. Good job. Keep the weight towards the hands, Deepika. Keep more weight towards the hands. Yes. More weight towards the hands, Lakshmi. Last 10. 9. 8. Round the spine, guys. It's a core compression. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Bring the knees down. Watch me. Guys, I'm very happy with this exercise, how it's coming. But some of you, not many, some of you this is what's happening. Yes, there's some flatness here. You see, this rounding is not coming. The action of pressing is not coming. And then this is also not coming for some of you. Yes, we start the exercise with the weight on the hands, and I don't go back. I start with more weight on the hands, so it's more tough. Knee, back, slow. Knee, back. Now, same principle. Forward with the weight. We will do knee to the elbow. We will do to the wrist. I'm not touching, I'm not going on the floor. Elbow, wrist, and back. Elbow, wrist, and back. So I have to press with the hands, you see? I have to have this rounding, and the core compression will get activated. Yes? I touch elbow, I touch wrist, but my knee doesn't touch the floor. Okay? If I cannot touch the wrist as close as I can, if I cannot touch the elbow as close as I can, yeah? But round, press. This scapular separation, guys. This is your handstand. What you're doing now, you're practicing your handstand as well. Yes, all this core serves you for your handstand, obviously. So let's go. Everyone, tabletop, careful with the alignment. Press the mat away with your hands around the spine. Extend one leg. Extend the second leg. Shift weight to your hands first. Kalpana, round the spine. Round. And we start, guys. Time is on. Knee to the elbow. Knee to the same wrist. Change leg. Shilpa, knee to elbow, knee to wrist, and then you change the leg. Guys, we are getting confused with the exercise. Please, let's stop. We are getting confused with the exercise again. Guys, watch the screen, please. We are getting confused with the order of things. Yes, we extend here, shift the weight to the hands. Knee and back, no? Knee and back. But first, this one. I see some people doing this and back. Then remember about the wrist. Guys, knee to elbow, knee to wrist, and back. In the same go, pin, back. But I'm doing this. Yes? Other leg, knee, wrist. Elbow, wrist, and back. But I'm not resting the knees down. Of course, it's tough. In the same go, pin, back. Pin, back. Yes? Let's go. Everyone ready? 30 more seconds, come on. Time is on, guys. Don't cheat. Please start. Shilpa, knee to elbow, same way. Knee to wrist, lower, no. Knee to elbow and to the wrist. No, knee to elbow. Yes. Come on, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Take child's pose. Good job. Much better this second round. Very good. Now watch me, guys. We will go belly back down on the floor, yes? You will catch the hands to the edge of the mat. Press the full spine, no space in the lower back. So you have to press navel in, lower back towards the mat. You will bring the knees to touch. You see my knees are touching. Yes, 90 degrees angle. Chin to chest. Keep the hands here and then you're going to extend almost to touch the floor. Press the lower back. Center. Yes, I'm extending. Center. The chin to the chest. Yes, I press low. If I'm trying to lower the legs and this arch is happening, what will I do? I extend until here. Whatever measurement, guys, that doesn't arch my lower back. I don't force it down if my lower back is arching because then I'm not working where I'm supposed to be working. Okay. Let's go. 3, 2, just slow exercise once again. 1, and time is on. Thirty more seconds. Come on, come on, come on. 90 degrees. Chintamani Shilpa, 90 degrees nicely on the legs. Kalpana, continue. Sambardini, continue, continue, continue. Don't touch the legs. Don't touch the legs to the floor. Come on, 15 seconds left. Last push, last push. Chintamani, why your arms are back in there? And your chin, you're just relaxed. Chin up, chin up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, chin was up. Chintamani, now your see it's a different exercise, altogether. Different sensations. Now, guys, watch me. From here, chin in. Yes, again, arms here. Yes, knee in line. We are going to lower one leg, more challenging. I keep this one where it is. I come to center, I pause. Second leg, you see I'm not touching. And pause. Again, if this is making the arch, I will lower, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Yes, chin in. If someone wants, I don't have the space, but you will extend the arms back. This is very challenging, guys. As long as there's no arching in the lower back and I keep this 90 degrees, the heels cannot lower. This is your tuck position, but on the floor. So keep your nice tuck. Yes? We lower, pause. Lower, pause. Lower, pause. Yeah? Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we start. Come on, 40 more seconds. Very good. One leg at a time, one leg at a time. Fifteen seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 15 seconds rest. Very good, guys. So watch me. from here. We will extend the legs down. Yes, option 1, hands on the floor or taking the mat. We will extend, chin in and hold, hollow body. Option 2, you will extend the arms back. Yes, 2 options. Either you bring the hands to the mat or you extend the arms back. Yes, if you extend the arms back, the arms would be not touching the floor but lifted because my chin is lifted. Yes, my legs are lifted like this. Yes? Everyone, take position, press lower back, make sure it doesn't arch, engage the core, chin to chest. Time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Come on, come on, come on. Shanta, try to lower more, extend the knees. Sambardini, extend the legs, come on. Yes. 30 more seconds, come on, everyone. Vishali, continue. Don't give up, guys, don't give up. 20 seconds, come on. Lakshmi, come on. 15 seconds. Stay, guys, stay. I know it's tough. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come to sitting position. You're gonna open your straddle 90 degrees. Don't open a middle split or something, full straddle. 90 degrees only. Now, watch the pelvis. We will open a little bit like in cow position. Yes, no sitting back. We're gonna open a little bit, toes up to the sky, and then we will lean forward. Option. Hands in prayer. Option 2, you press with the heels down. Option 3, with the arms straight, lean without touching the floor. Lift up. 10 reps. Yes, I don't want to touch the floor. I want to train my body to lift. Use the core. Lift. Yes. If with the arms up is tough. Ideally, we want to reach there. But if with the arms is not possible, hands in prayer. Yes. But no hands on the floor, no hands on the legs. Okay? You can also do interlace the fingers here. And down. Yes? Spine straight. Yes? Everyone showing from the side angle. So show me side angle. So I can see. Side angle, Shilpa. Yes. Let's start together, guys. 5, 4. Remember cow pelvis. 3. Toes up to the sky. 2, 1. Toes up to the sky and go. Exhale down. 1. From the pelvis, Shanta. 2. Rachana, hands in prayer or behind your head. This is too difficult for you now. 3, like this. Down. 4. Yes, Chintamani, good. 5. Hold it. 10. Hold it down. Hold it low, guys. 10. No hands on the floor, on the legs. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming up. Very good. Now we will go to the wall. Everyone. Let's go the wall. Good. Now, arm distance from the wall. Yes. Hands down. Make sure they are shoulder distance. Your hands always Shoulder distance, full palm pressing, fingertips active. I press the hands against the floor. Lift the hips. Walk up. Straight, straight. Squeeze the glutes. Eyes towards the thumbs. Option 1 here. Option 2, closer. Option 3, closer. Yes, you will bring the toes to touch the wall. Eyes towards your thumbs. No watching the wall, yes? You press and keep a straight line. Nothing is touching the wall. Only your toes. Yes, the rest of the weight is on your hands. We will hold 30 seconds. Guys, when I say nothing is touching the wall except the toes, is this part. Yes, we walk with the toes tucked under, yes? We walk like this. Beep, 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 beep. But then we want to, this part of the foot press against the wall. It will help us keep us the straight line and it will help us release easier. This first round we are not releasing anything. Only hold, endurance. Shoulders up to the ears. Eyes towards your thumbs, not the head. Yeah, I'm not dropping my head. I'm keeping the ears, you see, in between my arms, and I bring my drishti, my eyes towards the thumbs. Yes? Everyone ready? We go towards the wall, everyone. Arm distance. Arm distance. And we start. Walk up the wall. 30 seconds hold as much as you can. If you need to come down, come down. Don't compromise on alignment to hold longer. Let's go. Squeeze the glutes. Very good, guys. Squeeze the glutes, Deepika. Squeeze the glutes. Last 5, 4. Very good. 3, 2. Eyes down, Chintamani, not to the wall. And 1. Slowly, slowly walk down. Now, every time we will come down, wrist rotations or wrist compression in Malasana, you sit with the wrist inside of the knee and you open and close. Yes? You do this exercise on your own while I explain the next one. Okay? So now, we will do second round with the straight line. Yes? Same exercise, no releasing the wall, same. But instead of 30 seconds, we will try to hold 45 seconds. Yes? Now we try, guys, this was a very good round. If you notice, everyone with the core exercise that we did, now it looks easy. Yes, it feels easy to go in the wall. I hope you agree with me. Yes, because for what I can see, now everyone is easy. Nothing is going like this in the body. Yeah, the body is not going like this in the wall. It means the core is tight. Yes? So now, 45 seconds. If you feel your core is, if you feel the alignment is getting compromised, go down and then go up again. Don't push 10 more seconds if the alignment is just crumbling down. Calm down. Try again with the fresh alignment. Yes? Let's go, guys. You can do this. Yes?
I didn't understand with the toes. Should be outside part on the wall, this part, or this part on the wall?
I said no. This part.
Outside, okay.
Let's go. Everyone ready? Arm distance. Walk as close as you feel comfortable. And time is on. 45 seconds. Everyone up. Very good, guys. Come on. Eyes to the floor. Don't look at the wall. Eyes towards your thumbs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Control the way down. Very good. Wrist rotation or wrist compression in Malasan. Good job. Now, we will go to tap position. Yes, we will go a little bit closer to the wall. Yes, so we start arm distance, so we have a nice way to come up. Yes, and then one step. Yes, inside. You will bring the knee and knee to touch. Yes, knees together, toes together. Now, for some of you, this is option 1. Why? Because you have hard weight on the wall, because my feet are pressing and my hands are pressing to the floor. Some of you, you will press with the toes. You see what I'm doing? You're pressing with the toes and I'm shifting more weight to the hands. And you will stay here. Yes? Minimum weight is on the toes. Yes? Let's go. Guys, knees together means together. I'm squeezing the knees one towards the other. I'm squeezing my core. Yeah? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Everyone up. Option 1 or option 2. We will do 2 rounds, so do not worry. Test here. Where are you today? 30 seconds hold. In 5, 4. Prepare. 3, 2, 1. Eyes down. Alignment. Very good, guys. Wow. Vital, yes, yes, yes. Continue lowering the knees. Find your alignment. Knees lower, lower. Open the shoulders, Vital. Open the shoulders. Nope. You're too close to the wall. Go away. Yes, Anupama. Good, guys. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, but you're doing amazing. Super happy, huh? Vital, you need to go away. The rest, everyone was on the wall. Super happy. Now, second round. If you were chilling on the wall, guys, be honest with yourself. If you were chilling, halfway here, halfway on the floor, please do option 2. Yeah, challenge yourself a little bit. Option 2, we press with the toes, yes? We press with the toes. We go up. Yes, I go to my 90 degrees and I'm pressing with the toes. So those who were here, you press with the hands, press with the toes and go. Yes? More weight you will feel on the hands, but a lot of you were here. And some of you for sure you were chilling. So challenge yourself now. 30 more seconds like this. Yes? If you were comfortable like this, you will release 1, 10 seconds, 2, 10 seconds. Yes? Those who are releasing, you have to count in your head. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Yes? Yes, guys?
Kindly see me. I've never done it
I'm
today in my
watching everyone, guys. I'm watching everyone. Yes, I need good camera angle for Chintamani, but I couldn't see your legs. And also Vishali, for you, I also couldn't see your legs. I need a good camera angle. Higher that I can see. Yes? Everyone ready? Oh, what happened to the camera? Everyone ready? And up the wall we go. Up, 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 up.
just check if my basics are clear, like the starting.
Go start, Vishali, because we are already half time there. Start, everyone start. Rachana, feet together, come on. Sambardini, knees together. Kosar, good. 5, 4, 3, Chintamani, yes. 2, Shiva, yes. Shilpa, yes. 1. Vishali, your hips need to go up. Your hips need to go up the shoulders. You are collapsing into it's something like this is happening for you. As far as I can see, the thing is that you were talking, you didn't finish the exercise, but something like this was happening. You tried to bring the knees down, but your belly was going down. Something like this. Yes, so the hips have to come on top of the shoulders. Your hips were going to the wall, but somehow you managed to also bring the knee down, something like this. I don't know how you were doing. Yes, but we have to think always in the handstand. Guys, the hip, shoulder, elbow, wrist, one line. As a general rule. Now obviously there are other variations later that we can do, but as a general rule for foundation, for basics, this is the basic rule. Yeah, some variations obviously there will be a back bend or things different, but this is later. Yes, so guys, one more round, 45 seconds, one more round. Those who were pressing and want to try release one leg, only release one leg. Imagine my elbows are my legs. Yes, I release away from the wall a little bit. I don't have to bend fully, only a little bit. So I go just enough that I go away from the wall. Yes, to see the shift of weight. And then the other one. Okay? If I keep my knees together, it's easier because it's like a scissors. It's easier to do the change. If my knees are separate, my core needs to work harder. Yeah? Let's go, guys. Everyone up. I'm watching everyone. Let's start.
I'm going to skip this round, Bhatti. I'm
You
getting a little bit of fever on the back. So I'm going to skip
take
this round.
child's pose. Take child's pose. Eyes towards the floor. Knees together, Sambardini, knees together. Those who are releasing one leg, try to hold at least 5 seconds before you change the leg. Vital, try. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Good job, huh? Almost everyone releasing. Super happy. Super happy. Shilpa. Very good, guys. Super good. Now, you take the rest, wrist rotation, wrist compression, guys. I told you, when I'm explaining, you do this exercise by yourself. Now, next one, straddle position. Yes, straddle position, guys. We want to open this distance for now. Yes, which is what we open on the floor. We don't want to do this on the wall. You will see why. If you do this in the beginning, it's more difficult to balance. Yes, if you want to release weight from the wall, it's more challenging. Okay, so what we will do? Arm distance, same. Up. One step inside. Yes, this is option 1. Only one step inside. Oh, sorry, you can't see my legs. Again, arm distance. Yes, I go up. One step inside. And then I open. Fling, fling. Yes, sorry. For me, I'm too bendy, yes? So I open and I open. But I don't open my full split. You see what happens to my alignment? Where is my hips? Bye-bye. Right? I want my hips on top of my shoulders. Yes? So, feet to the wall. Option 1. Why? Because, again, you have the feet and the weight is pressing towards the wall. If you don't press, you will start sliding down. You have to press the feet to the wall, the hands to the floor. Option 2, you shift weight to the toes. So you're lifting the heels, shift weight to the toes. Yes. Option 3, on your nails. Yes, eyes down. Don't do this. Yes. You come down, bend the knees, and step down. Starting point, arm distance, depending on your measurement, guys. Yes, those who are Vital, you are very long. Yes, so for you, measure correctly because that impacts you massively. Yeah? Measure, guys. If you feel you measure arm distance and you don't need to step inside, don't step inside. Some of you might measure arm distance, they need to step inside. Okay, so check this before. And then only one step one side, one step other side. Full foot pressing on the wall. Yes? Let's go. 30-second hold. Let's go, let's go. Yes, guys. Amazing. One step down, Rachana. One step down. Vital, press the hands. Lift the hips up. Kalpana, very good. Chintamani, yes. Lakshmi, yes. Shilpa, yes. Anupama Singh, one step down. Deepika, one little step down with the feet. Kausar, very good. Shanta, extend the knees. I'm not sure what's happening in the legs. I can't see fully. Shiva, one step down. Ashwini, one step down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, Ashwini, more down, a little bit more. 1. Sambardini, yes. Good job, guys. Good job. Ashwini, come down, come down, come down. We will do a second round. Please come down. Wrist rotation, wrist compression if you need. Super good, huh? Vital, you need to keep pressing. Hips up. Pressing. I know. Yes, and keep the hips on top of the shoulders. That's the main thing. The hips are a bit going towards the wall and then everything is going. Yeah? Now, second round. Yes, if you are on the tippy toes, go into your nails. If you are on the foot, go into your tippy toes. 45 seconds. Yes? Let's go, guys. Everyone towards the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Deepika, try. Somebody wait at the center. You're leaning more towards one side. Left leg more down. Yes, Chintamani. Lakshmi, yes. Guys, if you came down, you have 15 more seconds. Come up, try again. Ashwini, yes. Now much better. Kosar, yes. Shanta. That was good. Shilpa, very good. Chintamani, very good. Lakshmi, very good. Yes, guys. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Very good. Wrist rotation, wrist compression. Very good. Now, are we good? 5 more minutes? Yes, and then we do the prayer. Now, we will try to go from straight line to straddle. Yes? So you will slide in the wall from straight line to straddle. Yes? Let me show you. Guys, we slide with this part of the toes. Yes, with the toes tucked under, we can't slide. Yes, we need to shift more weight to the hands so we can actually slide. Yes? So again, arm distance. Press the hands, look towards your thumbs. Up. Yes? Now for some of you, this would be already good distance. Yes, I do my straight line. Yes, I lift the hips to the shoulder level and then I slide. And then I slide up. 2. And I slide up. 3. When I'm sliding, guys, glutes help me to bring the legs up. Glutes and core, glutes and core. Yes? Glutes and core. I need to squeeze the glutes to help the legs come up. And then the legs have to be fully engaged. Your quads fully engaged. Everything like an arrow until the toes. Yes? Up. Yes? And again, keep pressing shoulders to the ears. Yes? I give you 30 seconds. Explore this. Yes? If you can do 3 reps, 3 reps. If you can do 5 reps, 5 reps. No pressure. It's not about how fast. I want you to start understanding how to shift these different poses. Yes? Everyone. Arm distance from the wall. Let's go up. Thirty-second timer start. Everyone trying. Vital, hips, hips, hips up on top of the shoulders. Away from the wall. Yes, that's it. Lock the hips there. Lock the core. Eyes down. Rachana, slide, slide, slide up. Yes, Lakshmi. Shilpa. Yes. Ashwini, Meghna, try. Deepika, try. Sambardini, slow, slow, slow. You need to slide with the top of the feet. Untuck the toes. Untuck the toes. Sambardini, untuck the toes, okay? You're sliding like this. Slide with this part. Top of the feet. Yes? Very good. Kosa, you have a question? Yes, tell me.
It's not like question, it's doubt because of these lines. I have lines on the wall, so I am not able to slide my toes. It is very
Yes.
difficult. There is a big gap also, so my toes are hurting when I am
Yes.
sliding.
Yes. You have socks? No.
Yes,
Even
no
with
sock.
socks, huh? Yeah.
Socks,
ideally,
okay.
guys, with socks, yes. Ideally, guys, we need the plain wool. I mean, but sometimes we don't have. Yes. With socks, we can sort it. Make sure, guys, you don't, if you care about the wall a little bit, make sure you don't have like a black socks on a white wall like this because it will leave you windshield marks. Yes. I ruined so many walls like this. Or ladies, nail polish also ruins the wall. Yeah. Because actually we can, if it's flat, if the wall is flat, you can slide. If you have more weight on the hands, you can slide without any socks. I'm sliding all the time. I don't use socks. I don't like to practice with socks. It's really a nightmare for me. So unless it's necessary, I never use them. So I always slide if the wall allows me. If the wall is not flat, obviously we can't. Yeah, or it's more challenging. There are some walls literally you can't. Yeah, but please keep this in mind if you if you care about the wall or have a dedicated wall for your yoga handstand practice because the wall will get very dirty. Yeah. Now, guys, one last round if we have the time. Can we all dedicate 30 more seconds? One last round for this one. Same exercise. One last. Yes? Everyone ready, guys? In mind. It's my last round. I will give my best. Vital, everyone. Up. Yes, try to slide with the toes. Time is on. Yes, Rachana, good. Vital, that was much better. Continue. Chintamani, yes. Lakshmi, yes. Meghna, try, no? Shilpa, yes. Ashwini. Yes. Slide more, Ashwini. Open more. Straddle, full straddle. Come on. Careful with your picture frames. Shiva, open. Anupama, keep the hips up. Vital, careful. The shoulders are closing. Yes, Shiva, good. Slide up. Shilpa, also good. Meghna, slide. Very good. Very good, guys. Second round, much better. Sambardini, come on. Yes. Sambardini, calm down. Let me tell you something I told you before. Calm down. It will all go so smooth for you if you slide with this part. You are trying to slide like this. And it's going like stuck. Slide with this part of the toes and you will find it super smooth like a windshield. Everything else you have it already. The only reason why it's not smooth is because you are tucking the toes under, yeah? Now, guys, this exercise is super useful, yes, to do every day. Very useful if you are somehow interested in changing shapes, in changing postures in the wall. Yes, you can practice this one because it will help you later when you want to do it away from the wall. Yes? And this is a very good exercise for the core. Yes, because when we are opening and closing, the core is working even more. Yes? Yes, Vital, you have to go?
Yeah.
Question.
When like weight comes on my shoulders become this. Like I try to push this, but it doesn't happen. That's why it's like
The
it goes.
opening, you are collapsed, the shoulder is collapsing down.
Yeah, it collapsed down. It
And
doesn't
then
stay. It
when you
doesn't
open,
stay this.
when you open is collapsing or when you're trying to come up is collapsing?
No, when I try to push my hip towards my, trying to make an alignment, right?
Because the
That
shoulder,
time
you are not, like the shoulder is more open, but you are not able to lock it. So
Yeah.
your brain right now cannot lock the shoulder and move the legs at the same time. You understand? You can do it separately because in your straight line you can lock it. But when you have to move, the brain is still trying to figure out how to do both. This is a matter again of repetition. Yeah, your shoulder open Vital has improved so much. So very happy about it. Yeah, one step at a time we unlock more and more things of the handstand, guys. This is a the handstand is a long journey. Yes, for everyone. Shall we do the prayer? Yes, let's go. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field once again. See what changed from the beginning to now, the end of the practice. And take the moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one three Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Bring the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Lay the palms on your face. A beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much. Beautiful class, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Bharti.
I'll see
Thank you
you
so much.
later, those who are coming 2 to 3. Otherwise, Monday. Yes.
Thank you, Patty. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Thank you, Patty.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.